Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from Sweat Wallet. So in order to do this, you first need to launch your Sweat Wallet mobile application and then you just have to log in into your account. Now once you've done that, on the home page, you will be able to see your total balance, and as you can see over here that I currently have 5 Sweat in my Sweat Wallet account. So in order to withdraw it, you need to tap on the transfer button on the home page, then you will be landed on this transfer page. Here you will be able to see your Sweat balance, and underneath it you are going to see the near protocol. So the near protocol is basically the chain or the network with the help of which you will be able to send or transfer or withdraw your Sweat from your Sweat Wallet account to any other exchanges. So over here you need to tap on the Sweat button, and then you will be landed on this username or this address page where you need to basically provide the deposit address of Sweat in this section. Now here, in order to do this, you need to have any other exchanges or the wallet in which you are going to withdraw your money. For this purpose, you can either use Bybit, or if you want to add it in some other exchanges but you want to get an overview on which exchanges it is available, then you can use the CoinMarketCap application for that. In order to do this, you need to just launch any of the browsers that you are currently using, and then you just have to type CoinMarketCap in the search bar. What this will do is it will land you on the official website of coinmarketcap.com. Here you are going to see this little search icon in the top right hand corner. So you need to tap on this search icon, and now in the search bar you need to search for Sweat. Now once you search for Sweat, it will show you the Sweat coin in the results. So you just have to tap on the Sweat economy, that is Sweat, and it will show you its current price. Here if you tap on this markets tab in the top, then you will be landed on the bottom of this page where you are going to see the list of all of the exchanges where this coin is launched, and basically you can use these exchanges in order to withdraw from your Sweat wallet to your exchange. So as I previously told you to withdraw it in Bybit, so as you can see that this is in the top in the list in order to withdraw this coin, but you can also use OKX, KuCoin, Gate.io and some other exchanges as well. Here in order to withdraw my Sweat, I'm going to demonstrate it in my Bybit account. So you just have to launch your Bybit application, then you just have to log in into your account. Now once you have successfully done that, you need to tap on the assets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, then tap on the option of deposit. After that you need to tap on deposit crypto, then you will be landed on this type of page where you need to use the search bar in the top, and in the search bar you need to search for Sweat. Now once you have found Sweat, you need to tap on the Sweat coin, and then it will ask you to select your chain. So as I previously told you to select the near chain, so you need to tap on the near option, then it will show you the QR code as well as the deposit address in front of you on this page. So you need to copy the address from here, then you need to come back to your Sweat wallet application, and then you need to paste the address in the section of the username and address. So after pasting the address, you just have to tap on the continue button in the bottom. Then on the next page, you just have to confirm your withdrawal. Here you need to make sure that you have near protocol in your account in order to confirm this transfer. So this is how you will be able to withdraw your money from Sweat wallet. I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.